Bonjour my friends, I'm Frank here and welcome to Club Foodie. I really enjoy fish. Most of the time, it's an easy protein to prep and cook. I have so many recipes on the side, like Haï tuna poke bowl, fisherman's pie, miso glazed salmon, sole meunière, tuna steaks, fish stew, tarragon limoncello halibut, marlin, and many more. Now here's another delicious one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cod au gratin. With amazing ingredients, this is a tasty casserole that your family will like. It's easy to make and a great way to enjoy cod. This creamy and cheesy one-pot dish is certainly a must-try. So my friends, let's get cooking. Let's start by making a bechamel sauce. I won't go into details on how to make it, but click on the top right corner of your screen to get the recipe. From here, we'll turn it into a cheddar cheese sauce. So we'll add mild paprika and some mustard powder. We'll whisk until well blended, then add the cheese by the handful and whisk until it's melted before adding more. If you add the cheese all at once, it can clump up. On the blog, I give other useful tips to achieve a gorgeous cheese sauce, so check it out. Now, because we'll be using this sauce for our cod au gratin, we'll add some fresh chopped dill. And of course, we'll give a good whisk. We'll set the sauce aside, and to prevent a skin from forming, we'll place a piece of wax paper on top, making sure it touches the surface. Next, we'll look after the potatoes. A mandolin is the perfect kitchen tool to slice them very thin, and the thickness we're looking for is about 1/8 inch. When we're done slicing, we'll give them a jump start by placing them in a microwave-safe bowl, pour in about 1/4 cup of water, and place cling film on top. We'll transfer to the microwave and cook on high for 3 minutes. When time is up, we'll carefully remove it, flip the potato slices over, cover the bowl again with plastic wrap, and return it to the microwave for an additional 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prep our ingredients. One that I would like to highlight is the leeks. After removing the base of the stem and the dark green part, which you should keep it when making stock or bouquet garni, and the outside layer, we'll quarter them and then slice before washing. If you need more info about prepping leeks, I have a great tutorial on it, so click on the link showing on the top right corner. Alright, back to our potatoes. When the last 3 minutes is up, we'll arrange half of the potato slices, overlapping them to cover the bottom of a 3-quart baking dish lightly greased with butter, and set aside. Now let's prep the cod. We'll pat dry the fillets before cubing them. We're looking about 2-inch pieces, not too small so they hold their shape. We'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, then set aside as well. Next, in a skillet over medium heat, we'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter, and when it starts sizzling, we'll add our leeks, then carrots, followed by celery. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll saute our vegetables until they just start to soften, about 3.5 to 4 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll add 2 large pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. Now we're ready to assemble. We'll spoon half of the vegetable mixture over the potatoes. Then we'll place our seasoned cod pieces on top before sprinkling on some lemon zest. To this, we'll add a thin layer of the cheddar cheese sauce, trying to spread it out evenly, followed by the remaining half of the vegetable mixture, And then we'll top with the remaining half of the potatoes, overlapping as well so they nicely cover the surface. To give a little crunch to our casserole, we'll evenly sprinkle on a thin layer of panko breadcrumbs. We'll now spoon on the rest of the cheese sauce, and for the finishing touch, we'll sprinkle on some hot paprika. We'll transfer the baking dish to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes or until it bubbles and the top turns golden brown. And my friends, this is our cod au gratin. This classic Newfoundland dish is a great way to enjoy cod. With healthy ingredients, wrapped up in a flavorful cheese sauce, this recipe is so delicious. You should definitely make this yummy casserole sometime soon. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!